What's going on, campers? Right now, I'm on the platform of the 109e by Sunset Park RV. This is a sweet little toy hauler. It's got awesome 57-inch by 75-inch front platform. This side comes off with the other side and it turns into the ramp so you can pull your four-wheeler or motorcycles or dirt bikes up on. Comes with a 20-inch or 20-pound propane tank on the front. Battery disconnect switch. This one comes with the awning up top. Again, this is the sport package with the off-road tires. Outside propane connection with the stabilizer jacks at all four corners. Now we're going into the back galley with our outside kitchen. Right here is our two-way fridge. Either ran off electric or battery. This is right here is how you switch over. Or no, this is a three-way fridge, my apologies. Electric, battery, or propane. Right here is the microwave. Sink. Two-burner stove. This does come with a water heater. Over on this side we have our water heater and our sink drain underneath. Water connections. Outside shower with hot and cold water. This inside here, I don't have the key. Yes, I do. Just has a hot and cold water spigot. We do have outside water connections right here. Hot and cold water. Right here's your fresh water fill, your city water connection, coaxial for cable, retractable power cord, 30 amp power cord. Over here to your outside storage, which does have a light in there. Furnace exhaust. And while we're up front, I do want to show you right here is your solar panel up top. So, before we go on the inside, I want to go over some specs. The unloaded weight for this unit, 1,660 pounds. The tongue weight on this is 160. Then you have the cargo capacity, 2,000 pounds that you can load into this thing. Your overall length, including that the tongue, is going to be 16 foot 6 inches. Overall width is 8 foot 6 inches. Overall height with the rack is 7 foot 6 inches, and your interior height is 4 foot 6 inches. The toy box again is 57 inches wide by 75 inches long. On the inside, you'll see first that we have our screen door and the step to get in. And upon entry, furnace underneath, gaucho style seat sofa bed, which this right now is into the sofa. On our back wall, we have our fire escape with our window, thermostat, USB, solar panel controller, TV, power, backer plate to put your TV, air conditioner, shelving unit underneath, and then all your controls over on this wall. Now, let me show you how to turn this bed or this couch into a bed. Underneath, take this, pull out. Now, take this, boom, and then you have your two back pieces that fold down as well. Just like that. And it really is that easy. Now you have a full-size bed on the interior. That is the 109E by Sunset Park RV. I really hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe. Check out my others. Thanks for watching.